Hello, thank you for tuning into the video today. I have a 36-inch walk-behind Scag mower here, and as I crank it up, you'll notice it's not moving very smooth. There's a loud popping sound. Sounds a lot like a spring being compressed, but it keeps slipping out. I purchased this mower used, and when I got it, I knew that it had some transmission issues along with some other things. Not too long after getting it, I noticed the same popping sound and it not pulling itself. So I took it to the shop and they charged me about $300 to replace the clutch. So obviously when it started doing it again, I figured I'd have to take it back to the shop and get it fixed again. But then I decided to fix it myself, so I just bought the part with the idea that I just switched out and I'd be good to go. Save myself a little money. But as I got to working on it, going through the process of taking the cover off, first thing I needed to do was take the blade belt cover off, and then I released the nut on the tensioner pulley so that I could remove the belt. From the underside of the mower, you can see the clutch coming off the engine, the tensioner pulley, and the pulley coming off the transmission. First step, we need to loosen the nut on the tensioner pulley so that we can get the belt from around the transmission pulley and the clutch. Right here, you might notice that loosening that bolt was very easy, almost too easy. At this point, I kind of thought to myself, that was weird. Maybe I need to tighten this back up and see if that has any effect on the issue. You'll notice at the beginning I said that it sounded like a spring that's being tightened but slips at one end. So as you can see, I'm tightening the bolt back up as much as I can, and then we put the belt back on, put the tensioner pulley back in place, and then I tried to see if it would work. it up, put it in gear, and you can see it pulls off. No popping, clicking. I rode it around the yard, turned the blades on, cut a little grass. No popping, everything was just like it would be expected. So, if your clutch starts popping on your Scag lawnmower, maybe you don't need a new clutch. Maybe it's just loose. Trying this out saved me over $200. Hopefully you can do the same for you. If you find that after tightening your clutch bolt, it still pops and clicks, please look at the description below. There's an Amazon link to the clutch that I purchased.